charged amino acid.
And what are you making now?
tRNA.
And what does tRNA do?
Well, it holds the amino acid, kind of like holds the amino acid. There we go. Then get back to the purple one. Pink marker, pink marker, purple marker. Then I can't act like Daddy. I just make it smaller with the show. I just make it have a different shape to show that it's uncharged.
It's what?
Uncharged.
Uncharged?
Yeah.
Okay. So the tRNA comes from the RNA?
No. It comes from tDNA, which is another type of DNA.
All right, well, wait a minute. You got an RNA there above the green line. And what does it do? It goes into the ribosome?
No, not the whole thing.
Oh, just 3 codons.
Yeah.
All right. Well, where does the tRNA come from?
It comes from DNA. It comes from another segment of DNA. I'll make it orange to show that it's T. DNA.
That's tDNA?
Yeah. Orange is tDNA.
Okay.
Orange, things like these. These are that look like these, but are a different color. I want also like orange RNA polymerase. Right.
And what does the RNA polymerase do?
It synthesizes some RNA.
Okay. That's a tRNA?
It folds into tRNA.
Oh, okay.
I'm not going to show the rRNA.
Which one is rRNA?
It's in here.
Inside the ribosome?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
the tRNA is made inside the nucleus? Is that right?
Well, it goes to the nucleolus.
Nucleolus?
This Vail shape is the nucleolus.
So the tRNA is in the nucleolus or it goes to the nucleolus?
It goes to the nucleolus.
I thought you told me it had to go to the ribosome.
It has to go to the nucleolus first.
And what does it do there?
Folds into the tRNA.
Okay. Then what does it do?
Goes to the ribosome.
How does it get out of the nucleus?
Goes through the nuclear pores.
How does it get out of the nucleolus?
Never mind. It can get out of the nucleolus.
Okay.
Never mind how it gets out of the nucleolus.
All right.
We've got to do the rest. The striped appearance means it's the nucleolus.
Okay. Can you tell me more about the ribosome?
Yeah.
You have to work on the nucleolus first?
Yeah. I need to work on the nucleolus first. The striped oval appearance means it's a nucleolus. I couldn't make it any bigger.
Okay.
I added a little bridge between the inner oval and the outer oval.
Okay. What is the purpose of the bridge?
Never mind.
Okay.
And the tRNAs go into this RNA goes into this space.
Okay. And it gets folded when it's in that space?
Yeah.
All right. Then what happens?
Orange arrow goes. Now I'm going to change the shape of the nucleolus, but still you'll keep the. I'll also add the tRNA. Right here. It's not striped anymore to show that it's folding the tRNA.
It's not striped because it's folding the tRNA?
Yeah. It's if it's striped, that means it's inactive.
Okay.
If it's Daddy, I'll also so let you have labels about for the DNA.
Well, tell me more about the nucleolus. If the tRNA goes in the nucleolus and gets folded,
Yeah.
and then what happens? It goes out of the nucleus?
Gets out of the nucleus, then gets out the nucleus.
It gets out of the nucleolus and then gets out of the nucleus. Then what happens?
I'll put a. Oh, I gotta erase that. That's so I can continue. I do need to. I just erased this part of the tRNA. Never mind. I will fix it later, Daddy.
Okay, can you tell me what happens after the tRNA gets folded?
Goes in the same. No, that wasn't right. Now I'm going to get back to the orange marker. Back to the orange marker. Now, oh, that didn't right. That wasn't right. So that went in. So that went in.
Is that an arrow?
Yes, it is.
Okay, what does that mean?
That means it's going into an enzyme that adds this little amino acid.
Okay. So what does it do with one amino acid?
It carries it to the lysosome.
Okay.
Like a truck carrying a load of water bottles to you store.
Okay. And what happens to the amino acid at the ribosome? What happens to the amino acid at the ribosome?
Well, it gets off.
Okay, what are you doing now? What's that S? What is that S?
That's the enzyme that has the amino acid.
Okay.
I'll make the amino acid orange to show me. I have not got a lot of space, so I'm going to make it smaller.
So the enzyme is making the amino acid?
It's making a charged tRNA.
It's making a charged tRNA.
There we go. That's where is this? So that's fine.